In the not-too-distant future, humans have established a colony on Mars. Welcome to the Mars colony, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Today, we'll take a closer look at what life is like on the red planet and how colonists have adapted to their new home. The first thing you'll notice about the Mars colony is its architecture. The colony's main habitat is a dome, which houses living quarters, workspaces, and recreational areas. The dome is made of a special polymer material that can withstand the harsh Martian environment and protect the colonists from radiation and extreme temperature fluctuations. The colony is home to a diverse group of individuals, from scientists to engineers to farmers. They work together to maintain the colony's infrastructure and make it self-sufficient. One of the colony's most important features is its agricultural systems. Because it's impossible to grow crops in the Martian soil, colonists use hydroponics. It is a method of growing plants in nutrient-rich water instead of soil. This allows them to grow a variety of fruits and vegetables, which provide the colonists with fresh, healthy food. Another key element of life on Mars is the use of 3D printing technology. Because it's impossible to bring all the necessary tools and spare parts from Earth, the colonists have become experts at designing and printing their own equipment. This saves time and money and ensures that the colony can continue to function in the event of equipment failure. Of course, living on Mars isn't without its challenges. Colonists must be constantly vigilant about the risks of radiation exposure and air pressure loss. They must also wear spacesuits whenever they venture outside the dome, to protect themselves from the thin Martian atmosphere and extreme temperatures. Despite these challenges, the colonists have formed a close-knit community and have developed ways to maintain their physical and mental health. They exercise regularly, engage in group activities, and have access to counseling and mental health services when needed. The Mars colony, a new home for humanity, built on determination, resilience, and teamwork. Thanks for joining us on this journey to the Mars colony. We hope you'll continue to follow the progress of this exciting and groundbreaking project.